So something that ordinary people do not like doing is what an amazing woman is doing. So she's turning the abandoned place at her office into a thriving farm. So come with me, I'm going to show you all that she's growing, or all that we are growing on the farm. So this is our cabbage farm. You can see the cabbage owner is watering it. He came to borrow the land, and he's using it to cultivate cabbage. And then the seedlings are about, if I'm not lying, it will be about 1,000. Yeah. So you can imagine, this is the office, this is the land that we are using. So we have our cabbage here, we have some tomatoes. He's doing his job. I don't want to go close to him because I know what he can do. Then we have a lettuce seedling, we'll be transplanting very soon. Then here is my compost, my mushroom house. And then we have some lettuce here. We've already harvested some and sold, and we still have some. And so the one we harvested, this is one that is left. So as you can see, this is the seed. This is how lettuce seed looks like. Here we have some carrots. These carrots are doing so well. This is just trial farm. So next time we're going to do it bigger. And so we don't want the office space to waste. That is why we are transforming it into a farm. And so this is where we do our seedlings. As you can see, we've done some peppers and also some tomatoes. They are yet to germinate so that we replant. And here we have some onions. So we are just doing everything trials. We want to see if it will work. Then next time we do it on a large scale. So this is another carrot. This is onion. This is onion. This is onion. And to our cucumber farm that didn't survive. Well, we did our best, but we realized that the land was not fertile enough for it. So as you can see on the floor, next time what we are going to do is that we already covered the land with manure. So we are going to keep the structure and replant the cucumbers so that we'll see if it will do well or not. And here, this is our maize farm, and this is 1.5 variety, 1.5 months variety. And as you can see, they are doing so well, they're not doing so bad. The point is that the land has already been plowed, so we have to give it a lot of nutrients before the crops will do well. And these are my amazing beans. So these beans, I dried them and traveled. By the time I came back, the rain fell, so the beans germinated, and I was like, no, I'm not going to throw the beans away, I'm going to plant them. And I did, and guess what, they are doing amazing. They are doing amazing. They are doing amazing. So this is my beans. And come with me to my mushroom farm. It's also at the office space. So these are 45 bags. They're not doing so well. These are 50 bags. These are the oldest. Well, at the point I faced some challenges, but thanks be to God, I've been able to resolve everything, and now when it fruits, it doesn't rot. And these are 100 bags that I'm doing currently, and I'm sure that I'll be able to get my money from this one. And this is where I'm going to be keeping my compost bags. I'm sure that it will serve its purpose. And for the structure, I still need to do a lot of work here because the air that comes to the room is so much, so it makes my mushrooms dry so fast. As you can see, it has already dried up. Meanwhile, I watered it not long ago, but still dried up. So I need to cover the entire structure with mats. Unfortunately, I don't have the money to do that, but I'm hopeful that when I get it, I'll do it. And guess what? With my compost, I've started. I don't want to keep buying the compost bag, so I started. This is just a small one, and I'm trying to see how it will look like. Okay, so this is an empty land, and guess what we are going to do here? We'll plant some okra, have some tomatoes, have some garden eggs, and so by the time you come back, or by the time I come and do an update of this place, you guys are going to be amazed at what we'll be doing. And so if you have an office space, an office land that is wasting, why don't you try something with your hands? I mean, look at this cabbage. Are they not looking nice? Are they not beautiful? They are beautiful. And this man right here is going to make a lot of money from this small space. It's small but mighty. It's doing so well. All you need is make sure you do your things right. Give it some manure. Give it some fertilizer if you have the money. And make sure that you give it enough water like he's doing. Yes, we are going to make money from cabbage, lettuce, carrot, cucumber, onion, mushrooms, and many more. Before I forget, there is another one here. So on this lawn, we have planted green peppers. Yes, as you can see, this is one. This is another one. This is another one. So we planted green peppers across the lawn. Yes, that is why this whole space has been fenced. So you can see them here. Green peppers, green peppers, green peppers, green peppers, green peppers. A lot of green peppers all over the place. That is why the entire place has been fenced. So guys, if you are a house owner, if you are working in an office space and you have an abandoned land that you're not using, you can turn it into something profitable. It will help you eat healthy and also give you an extra source of income. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.